Hey folks, I am back from my recent trip with Brace Lake Outfitters, flying out of Nakina, and one of the things that I was doing on that trip was I was going to be giving a try out to a new fillet knife. So this is the box that I got here. This is from North Arm Knives, which is a Canadian company just over in British Columbia. And the knife that I selected was the Kermode 6-inch blade. So this is a 6-inch fillet knife. Fabulous casing that comes with it, excellent handle. I've got a review that's going to come out right after this video where you'll see me cleaning a walleye, and I'll tell you what I like about it. But I just wanted to do the intro here. North Arm Knives out of British Columbia, just an outstanding knife here. And the video you see where I'm cleaning the walleye, that is walleye number 30 that I cleaned without sharpening that blade, because I was the group fish cleaner. So enjoy this video when I give the review of this knife. Folks, up here at Brace Lake Outfitters north of Nakina on a fishing trip, and we had a great day catching walleyes, and it's time to clean them up. And this year I got a new arsenal item here, which is my fillet knife made by North Arm Knives. Love this knife. Comes out of British Columbia. Steel made in the USA, but handmade right there in New Westminster, BC, I believe it is. And a couple of things that I really like about this. One, it holds its edge fabulously. So I think I'm on, I've probably cleaned north of 30 walleyes here, and it's still holding its edge. The handle itself I find fantastic. It's a really heavy, sturdy handle, so you know what you've got with you. And then this is the case, and I forget what this thing's made of, but it is absolutely rock solid. Blade fits in there, and you know exactly when it's in and it's ready to go. But I'll just show you here how easy it is. Like I said, I've done over 30 walleye now with this knife, and boom! Like, look at that. It's hardly any effort at all for me to get through, you know, what can be some pretty tough skin on fish. In we go. And now, make no mistake, I am not the world's best walleye cleaner. But boy, does a sharp knife ever provide a lot of forgiveness along the way. You know, so, you know, as I'm going through here, so it's strong enough to hold an edge, but it is, you know, fine enough that I can feel the bones as I'm running down the spine here. I know exactly where I am, you know, on this fish. And you never want to waste meat when you're cleaning fish. And so when you can feel the bones and you know where you are on the fish, you know, it's just going to increase the chances that you're going to maximize, you know, the amount of meat that you're able to get off of this fish. Right, so, you know, look at that, coming right around. In this particular case, I'll do the other side for you as well. I mean, and this is not a, you know, a fish cleaning demo. You know, this is about, you know, showing how a nice knife like this, how much it can help you, you know, clean fish. You know, for a lot of people, cleaning fish is not exactly their, you know, favorite part of the trip, and I confess it's not my favorite part either. I prefer eating the fish as opposed to, you know, cleaning the fish. But, you know, bend the blade there, tear that meat clean off. There we are, right down, and then, you know, one fillet there. Another quick cut, another fillet there, and then just for giggles here, I'll show you just on one here, but you know how easy it goes, you know, goes through. Again, after the number of fish that I have cleaned, that the blade is doing this that easy. You know, one, nothing left on there. We'll do our last one here. We're actually going to eat this particular fish today, so we don't need to leave any skin on. Look at that. Right underneath. Comes off. Fillet. So if you're looking for a quality knife, you know, something that you're going to use and something that's going to last a long time, stay with the family, go check out northarmknives.com. And this is the Kermode, I believe it is, but 6-inch fillet knife, it's worked like a charm.